Okay, so I'm in. That's just the entrance to the gorge. Well, it's not the best day today. That's the entrance. Little hut. It's €5 for both ways. You have to go back the same way if you don't feel like hiking a whole day. There's a little museum here. Just gonna check out. Ah, got light. Okay. Well, at least it's dry. Rather interesting. 60,000 people come here every year, it says. Wow. It's closed every winter. Apparently the snow can stay in here from avalanches for about 70 meters high. So that's why it's only open during summer months, which is probably why they got so many people coming through here. Anyway, I'll have a read through and then start walking.